Chapter 1. A Surprise in the Mail. My name is Emily. I am 18 years old. I live in a small town with my mother. Every morning I check the mailbox, bills, magazines, and sometimes postcards. But today, there is something special. It is an old letter. The paper is yellow. The ink is faded. The letter is not for me. It is for someone named Anna. But I do not know Anna. Who is Anna? And why is this letter here? Chapter 2. The Mystery begins. I open the letter. My hands shake. The letter says, "My dear Anna, I miss you. I think about you every day. I love you. Please write to me. James." Who is James? Did Anna ever read this letter? I must find out. Chapter 3. Asking for help. I go to my mother. "Mom, do you know an Anna?" I ask. She thinks. "Yes," she says. "Anna lived here many years ago. She was a kind old woman, but she moved away." "Where did she go?" I ask. "I'm not sure," my mom says. I decide to ask the neighbors. Chapter 4. A clue. Mr. Wilson, my neighbor, knows Anna. "She was my friend," he says. "She moved to Greenfield 10 years ago. Greenfield is a town nearby. I decide to go there. I take the bus. I hold the letter in my hand. I must find Anna. Chapter 5. Meeting Anna in Greenfield. I ask many people. Finally, a woman tells me. Anna lives in that small house on the hill. I walk to the house. My heart beats fast. I knock on the door. The woman opens the door. She has soft blue eyes. "Hello," she says. "Are you Anna?" I ask. "Yes," she says, surprised. I give her the letter. She takes it with shaking hands. Chapter 6. A Love from the Past. Anna reads the letter. Tears fill her eyes. "James was my love," she says. "But this letter never came to me. I thought he forgot me." She smiles, but her eyes are sad. "Thank you," she says. "This letter means everything to me. I feel warm inside. I helped someone, and I learned something important. Love never fades, even after many years."